morning, everyone. My name is Mike. I am a retired electrician, and today I'm going to show you how to connect a Smart H switch. This configuration here is a single pole switch that turns on one light in the room. Traditional wiring, you will bring your power into the switch, and this is our line right here. And then we have our load wire that goes to the light. And it's important to test the switch before you put in the new one. So as you can see, the light comes on and the light goes off. Now these Smart H switches, they're actually three-way switches, but they can be used for a single pole configuration. So the way you connect this Smart H switch is you connect your white wire to your neutral wires, you connect your black wire to your line coming in, and then your ground to the ground, and you cap the yellow wire. Not used.